Avenue if y'all not familiar with New Orleans. I remember back in the day walking around here. We was going to my grandmother, walking from the Mirabel apartment, but they changed it to the Fillmore Park apartment long ago. You know? Well. Can't always, you know, represent fantasy. How y'all feel about this area? Do y'all feel good about it? Well, I don't know. I normally talk about stuff when I'm just doing a loose video, you know, without no damn title, you know. Just love filming and posting. That's what I like to do, film and post, you know, for memories, just in case I don't see this area no more, you know. I hear mandolin. Some guy named Isaac used to live around here. What a bus coming? Look like I see a damn bus. Look like a bus coming, but it's never mind all that, you know. Well, oh well, I'm stopping this tape. Burger Jr. used to be down there. Could have went to Gregory, but they sent me to McDonald 28. Oh well.